In this tutorial, I will show you how to Soumak weave. This technique is great for creating texture. When you weave 2 rows of Soumak weave, it creates a braid appearance. By experimenting with the number of yarns and the type of yarn, you can create interesting patterns and textures in your weaving. Pick up 1 to 2 warp yarns and wrap the end of the weft yarn around it. Moving to the right of the first warp yarn, wrap the weft yarn behind the second yarn, and then pull it through. You can experiment with the number of warp yarns that you wrap the yarn around. Here I'm wrapping every 2 yarns together with the weft yarn. Continue this pattern to the end of the warp. You can tuck the tail end of the weft yarn between the first 2 warp yarns. Once you've reached the desired length of the pattern, wrap the weft yarn twice around the final warp yarns. You will continue the pattern now, but moving towards the left of the warp. So, continue the pattern by wrapping the weft yarn behind the left yarn and pull it through. As you continue building the pattern, a braid pattern will begin to form. Once you've reached the end, if you decide to continue the pattern, wrap the weft yarn twice around the last warp yarns. Then continue the pattern to the right. If you're interested in learning how to create other textures and patterns, then check out the other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.